Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this device. First of all, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, Launcher iOS 16. When your app is ready, open it. In order to set it up, you need to choose while using and allow in the pop-ups. Then close your app and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access App Management. Then click on Default Apps at the top. Select Home App and choose iOS Launcher. Lastly, tap on Got It. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back into the same settings and tapping on Default Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!